Find the equation of the plane passing through the point of intersection of the planes. Now the equation of the planes is given in the vector form, and which is perpendicular to the plane, that is also in the vector form. So we are going to solve this question in the vector form. Now the equation of the plane passing through the point of intersection of the planes is vector r dot I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap minus 4 1 plus lambda with vector r dot product 2 I cap plus j cap minus k cap plus 5 is equal to 0. So now this equation can be written as, taking vector r common, and inside we are having I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap minus 4 plus lambda with 2 I cap plus j cap minus k cap plus 5 is equal to 0. Now this can be written as vector r dot, now we are having 1 plus 2 lambda with I cap plus 2 plus lambda with j cap plus 3 minus lambda with k cap is equal to 4 minus 5 lambda. I have taken this 4 and this 5 to the right hand side. Now this is one of the equation. Equation 1. Now if plane is perpendicular to vector r 5 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 6 k cap plus 8 is equal to 0, then 1 plus 2 lambda with I cap plus 2 plus lambda with j cap plus 3 minus lambda with k cap with dot product for 5 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 6 k cap is equal to 0. Is it clear? So now solving this part, no, 5, this 5 with 1 plus 2 lambda plus 3 with 2 plus lambda minus 6 with 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. Okay. So now this becomes 5 plus 10 lambda plus 6 plus 3 lambda, negative of 18 and positive of lambda is equal to 0. Now we are having 10 lambda, 3 lambda and lambda, so it is 14 lambda 10 with 3 lambda, sorry, here it is 6 lambda. I am sorry, it is 6 lambda. Okay, so this becomes 19 lambda. Now 19 lambda, then we are having 5 and 6, 11, 11 minus 18, negative of 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so now lambda is what? This implies lambda is equal to 7 upon 19. Now substituting the value of lambda in equation 1. Substituting value of lambda in equation 1, we get vector r dot, now it is 1 plus 2 lambda, 1 plus 14 upon 19 with I cap plus 2 plus 7 upon 19 with j cap plus 3 minus 7 upon 19 with k cap is equal to 4 minus 5 times 7 upon 19. So I have substituted value of lambda in equation 1. Now let us solve it. What we are getting? Vector r dot, now 33 upon 19 I cap plus 45 upon 19 j cap plus, now 19 3s are 57, 50 upon 19 k cap is equal to 76 minus 35 upon 19. Is it clear? So now what the result is? Required vector equation of plane is vector r with 33 I cap plus 45 j cap plus 50 k cap is equal to 41. This is the answer.